Hey.
Do the shit for a way your ambition. I wake up every day, I'm on a mission. If you got hate in your heart, keep your distance. Blocking out haters, goodbye.
I'm not asking again.
Can you ask me one more time? God damn! We at Target.
But really, David, 4K John, we would just be stroking.
It's so windy, bro.
Bro, I'm getting pushed back, bro.
Today, all we doing is walking in, and we just gonna talk on the walkie-talkies. That's literally all we doing. I've been seeing a whole bunch of people do this.
But that's if we find one.
We gonna find one.
But you're supposed to bring your own.
Yeah, but somebody wanted to be not home.
What? You didn't even know.
You got the walkie-talkies. I didn't know. On God, I knew. But this nigga switched his outfit up. He got on the black and blue mixed match Crocs. So he finally did it.
Crocs when I first started.
No, you never mismatched them though.
Yeah, I did.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I have.
No, you didn't, bro. How you gonna tell me? What's up, Jamal?
Jamal.
You straight? You remember us? You remember us?
What's up, Jamal?
You remember us?
You had took that side off of old girl's belly.
And then we caught you upstairs with that nigga.
That wasn't me.
Right.
That was you.
Y'all stroking each other.
What's y'all YouTubers?
No. No.
Do you do YouTube? Because when we walked in there, you had cameras pointed at you.
What's up?
Where that nigga spawned in from?
What's up, OG?
You know me, right?
Yeah, I know you.
See?
Yeah.
He remember us. How don't you
These
remember
my
us?
niggas, bro.
That's what I'm saying. You going swimming? Bet.
Oh, you are?
Me one. Not one.
Also,
Not one. Bet.
you drop your water game.
What y'all filming YouTube and shit?
No.
We don't do YouTube.
Y'all some black ass niggas.
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Thanks for the goggles, little bro. This nigga just got scammed. This nigga just got scammed.
What's the YouTube?
Huh?
What's the TikTok?
We don't do YouTube.
What's the camera for?
It's not a camera.
What's the PS5?
Yes,
Y'all laughing. We dead serious. We don't do YouTube. More niggas spotted in. Where y'all spotted? Where y'all spotted in from? Where y'all spotted in from?
PS5. Africa. Something like
Type
You
shit.
said where?
I fuck with your shirt.
that shit.
Nah, lil' bro. You gotta fix that. You gotta fix that. It was just inside out.
I fuck with that though.
No, it is backwards.
That's your work. What's your YouTube channel?
I don't do YouTube.
Oh, you can you give us your PS5 gamer tag?
PS5 gamer tag.
Yeah, what's your gamer tag?
Really, Dame.
Trying to start merch.
I got you.
Hey, y'all got IG, bro.
Shop at reallydame.com. I'm gonna fuck with y'all.
Drake cross FaceTime when feeling me. Told me that he fuck with that. Damn, that shit getting me.
Where they follow this?
Oh my.
Look behind you. Look behind you.
You just recruited a gang of niggas, bro.
Fuck it, come on. We just recruited a whole game. All right, look. Come here.
What's the move?
Group meeting. All right, now, first of all, y'all gotta sway with it.
Okay.
Hey, chill. You can't get us kicked out yet. This is all we doing. We gonna grab a walkie-talkie, right? And we just gonna talk on that bitch. All right?
Like the speakers?
No, the walkie-talkie, like, we gotta find it first, all right? The nigga turtles. What's your name?
My name? Big Dick.
What's your name?
Huh?
What's your name?
My coochie pink.
What's your name?
Eli.
What's your name?
John.
What's your name?
Eli.
Eli, John. Oh wait, no. Y'all got more. Y'all got more niggas?
Yeah.
Y'all got more people with y'all?
Yes, there's two.
There's more.
Hey, fat fuck.
That's his name? Fat fuck? Hold on. It might be one in here. Shh. Let's flick up.
Oh shit, hold on, give me our gang.
Gotta tag us in that, bro.
I got you. Calm down. These niggas are spotted in. What's your name?
John. What's up, fat fuck?
Your name's John too?
Yeah.
What the fuck?
What's your name? Don.
Don Johnny.
Nah, there's no way. Where is it at? Fuck. It's over right there. It's over there.
Yeah. Happy Pride Month.
Nah, we don't do that around here, little bruh. We don't do that around here. John, you got it? No, he just left. I just seen him leave.
He came right back. That nigga's patrol.
None.
None. Tight shit.
None. Nah,
Just a group.
we just shopping.
You see a group of niggas and think something's happening.
Nah, for real, I'm doing a giveaway for all these African kids.
Yeah.
We from Ethiopia.
Ethiopia kids.
Yeah. You ever seen them ads? It was like 2 cents a day can help a starving kid. Yeah, these are them.
Yeah.
This is a documentary.
Yeah, these are them. They was
In
on
our
that
country,
commercial.
we don't have water. You remember that crackhead was twerking on the trash can?
God damn, your head's big.
No, look at this lineup though. No, come here. Come here. Come here, guys. Nah.
I'm right back, PS5.
Do a giveaway to one of these hungry, starving Africans.
I'm not associated with that.
So we have a brave one.
These niggas scattered like cockroaches. Can you open the PS5 things?
Yeah.
We can get one? Y'all got the Ragnarok version, right?
Yeah. So I have the Ragnarok version, which is $559.
I want the, what's the one with no disc? Is that the no disc?
Nope.
Damn.
It's not out here.
Mama, no, look at this lineup
Oh
though.
W distraction. I ain't ready cap. I seen a group of black teens walk in and it looked like they about to steal something. Should I follow them? Damn, I don't think it's a...
Whoever that was, you were on channel 1. Be sure to keep those kind of calls on a different channel that only security has access to.
They said we were on the wrong channel. What channel?
Hey, Mike, are you on channel 1? I'm on channel 1. Hey, KP, can you go to 2?
It's two. Channel two. We have a group of teens by the bikes and I think they're about to steal. Should I follow them? Bro, I think it's the wrong channel. How did she hear us? We was on channel 1. What happened?
I thought we was like this, bro.
Yeah, I got y'all. We're gonna lock into it. Oh my God, bro, your head.
Oh my God.
Why your shirt inside out and backwards?
You niggas ads ain't even working. At Shad Smirk. You're not Smirk. You're not Smirkio.
You the only one that look normal. That nigga look easy to draw. Me? No, not you, nigga. That way. Recruited a group of Africans. No, like that ass. What are y'all? Like, what's your ethnicities?
You're lying. Lily said Ethiopia over there.
No, we were just playing.
Type shit.
I can see Haitian, but Jamaican, hell no.
No, you just African. You straight African. Like you're not even from nowhere. You just African.
You just black. You
You just black. Your head.
Bro, look at this lineup though, bro.
God damn. All right, bye. Lame ass nigga. Thought you niggas was leaving.
You want some cocoa butter?
Nigga got on the back bling.
Some cocoa butter?
Why you got on the back? No. Why do you got that? All right, bro. Hey. Yeah.
Welcome back to.
Yeah.
Hold on. Hey, welcome back to.
Yeah.
I don't know if there's an issue or anything, but I have a group of black teens following me throughout the aisles.
Hey, whoever that is, go to 2.
Go to two.
Hey, man. Bye-bye. Peace.
That's how you get them off me.
I don't know if it's a problem or anything, but I have a group of black teens following me.
On channel 1, request for AP, have them go to 4. Who am I speaking with?
Mike Coxlong. Mike Coxlong. They switched again.
Yo, that's hard.
What? This?
Yes.
It's not.
Is that the Riddler?
Bro's the Riddler. Why the medium look smaller than the small? No. That's hard, gang. Now you look official. We need to get them shirts for the what's it called? For the pool party. They walking up to us. Bright look.
You gotta learn how to use the walkie if you're gonna try that. Try that.
Huh?
You gotta learn how to use the walkie if you're gonna try that. You didn't use it right. Alright, so you're trying to talk on it, what's coming through?
What?
So I get you all funny. But don't be, I don't know if you got one of our walkies, what it is. But don't be doing that stuff. It causes a lot of problems for us. All
Do
right?
what?
Yeah, I saw you on the walkie and saying something on the walkie. I was really watching you.
That wasn't us.
Yeah, I mean, I was watching you. So, so, nah, y'all gotta, I gotta show you.
That wasn't
I'm
us.
trying to be cool with you all, but if you're just gonna deny it, I gotta show you.
Yeah, we're gonna deny it because it wasn't us.
Alright, then I need y'all to leave regardless. Yeah, because you're in here playing games in here.
Nah, that
So
Oh, we're not playing no
I
games.
guess my team that's here trying to work and people trying to shop.
We're not playing no
I
games.
should leave.
was.
I need y'all to leave.
What happened?
Regardless. Because you're in here playing games.
Oh, we didn't play no games.
Okay, sure.
I mean, there was a group of black teams over there.
Sure. I'm not asking again. I'm just saying y'all gotta leave.
Can you ask me one more time?
Hey, where'd you located?
Nice try, though. Is that you on your shirt?
Nah,
That's a power move right there.
that's not me.
That's a power move. That's a power move.
A secret shopper. I'm not it. Nah, he is a secret shopper. Gotta be. These secret shoppers be getting us, cause, oh God, y'all getting kicked out, not me. They ain't looking for me.
This fat bald ass nigga snitched on you.
He said with you.
It was David.
Snitch what?
What the fuck y'all talking about? I snitched, nigga.
What
I ain't no
happened?
snitch.
What'd he say?
I never snitched in my life, nigga. I ain't no 6'9", nigga.
On God, 10 toes
fuck that
down.
nigga,
I fuck with that.
On King David.
Yo, lot of was crazy. Who snitched? Oh God, who snitched? We got Jubble. Who's David?
The nigga black shirt up there.
Where's David at?
Green goggles.
David. I thought we was 10 toes.
What'd I do?
I thought we was 10 toes, David.
Nah,
Why didn't say David?
I don't want
I thought we was 10 toes.
Why didn't say David?
Thought we was 10 toes.
My name's Eli.
Thought we was 10 toes.
My name is Eli.
Thought we was 10 toes. Thought we was 10 toes.
Help me! Help me! Yo, look! He's in this! Ah! They're gonna jump me, nigga! Take that, nigga! Manager! Hey, manager!
The consequences of snitching. The consequences of snitching. You want to snitch? You want to snitch? You want to snitch? This is what happens. This is what happens. This is what happens when you snitch. This is what happens when you snitch. This is what happens. My mic fell out. You snitched, David.
No.
Why is that David?
Why you snitched, David? What happened for real? What happened? What happened for real?
On the camera. You know that man that was helping with the PS5?
Yeah. He said something? I feel like y'all lying.
Alright, I didn't even go live, man. He saw you.
It was him?
I kind of snitched.
Damn! I'm hanging around with a group of snitches.
We gotta look tomorrow, bro.
I lick. Come back tomorrow? I got y'all. I got you. Bet. Not coming back. These niggas snitch.
But look at his lineup, though.
Alright, guys. We got the group of teens. We kicked them out. Let's go. White power. 6. That's a 6. 6 got to be a code word for like 3 or something. Oh, God. There's no 6. Alright, guys. Quit playing around. Which channel are we on? Yeah, I'm ready to go give this back. Hey.
Had to hang my fingers and both them clothesline and let them dry. No, I'm really a pat baby for real. Don't let my nigga fat. I seen niggas boost their brothers up and watch they killer die.
You just black.
You just black. Your head.
Bro,